It begins in the groves, where nature's bounty is selected by hand. Precision in the harvest ensures only the ripest fruit makes the journey forward. Removing the protective outer layer reveals the source of the rich milk within. Every harvest is a coordinated effort to keep the supply chain moving. The journey from the soil to the processing line is now underway. Quality is verified at the source before a single nut enters the facility. Pre-washing removes the field dust, preparing the fruit for the sterile environment ahead. Uniformity is essential for the automated machinery that awaits. Only the finest specimens pass this final manual checkpoint. The raw harvest is gone, the industrial transformation is about to begin. Logistics must be seamless to ensure the fruit arrives at peak freshness. Every load is tracked and logged before entering the sterile production zone.
You're clear. Proceed to Bay 3.
Precision docking is the first step in the high-volume unloading sequence.
A little more. Keep it straight. Contact. Hold it there.
Gravity-fed unloading keeps the intake speed at industrial levels. Water transport prevents bruising while providing a secondary stage of cleaning. Constant movement is maintained to prevent any bottlenecks in the supply line. Transitioning from the field to the factory requires a total environmental shift. Automation begins with sensors that monitor the volume of the incoming harvest.
Adjusting the sensor now to optimize the flow.
Strategic storage ensures the factory runs 24 hours a day, regardless of harvest timing. The facility is a closed-loop system designed for maximum hygiene and efficiency. Entering the core facility requires a total shift in environmental control. Strict sanitation protocols prevent any outside contaminants from reaching the production line. Human contact is minimized, but when necessary, it is performed with surgical precision. Digital tracking ensures every single coconut is accounted for within the facility. Internal logistics are handled with a blend of manual skill and automated assistance. Every component of the line is synchronized to the millisecond. Cleanliness remains the priority as the fruit enters the internal processing zone. Ultraviolet light eliminates any remaining bacteria on the shell surface. The entry is complete. The coconuts are now ready for deep tissue cleaning.
Alignment good, sending it through.
Confirmed, watch the spray. Deep cleaning ensures the outer shell is medically sterile before it is ever breached. Optical sensors scan the surface of every unit, searching for micro cracks or structural defects. Automation makes split-second decisions to maintain the highest quality standards. Removing moisture prevents bacterial growth and prepares the shell for the cutting stage. Manual spot checks complement the automated systems for double-layered precision. Organization is the precursor to the high-speed processing that follows. Final sanitation ensures the transition to the clean room is absolute. Seeing through the shell allows the factory to filter out what the human eye cannot. Strategic sorting by weight ensures the extraction machinery operates at maximum yield. Sorting is complete, the heart of the factory is now within reach. First, the mineral-rich water is extracted to be processed separately from the milk. Thermal shock loosens the bond between the hard outer shell and the precious white meat. Precision pressure ensures the shell is removed without damaging the interior kernel. Manual paring guarantees that only the purest white meat proceeds to the extraction phase. This final wash ensures the meat is clinically clean before the grinding begins. Breaking the fibers is the critical step to releasing the rich fats and oils. Consistency is monitored by sensors to ensure the perfect ratio of solids to liquid. The raw milk is separated from the pulp, capturing the essence of the fruit. Homogenization creates the velvety smoothness that defines premium coconut milk. Flash heating eliminates all bacteria while preserving the natural flavor of the coconut. Rapid cooling is the secret to maintaining a fresh, creamy consistency. Natural additives ensure the milk remains perfectly emulsified without separation. Real-time molecular monitoring guarantees every batch is identical in texture. Removing air prevents oxidation, extending the shelf life without the need for chemicals. Centrifugal force achieves a level of purity that traditional filtration cannot match. This final barrier is the last step before the milk is ready for its container.
Pressure differential is stable, locking the flow now.
Millions of liters are staged here, awaiting the high-speed precision of the bottling lines. Digital oversight ensures that the transformation is complete and the product is ready to be sealed. Perfected and chilled, the liquid gold of the coconut is now ready for the world. High-speed automation allows thousands of units to be processed. every single hour. The robotic arm inspects the fill level of each carton in mid-motion. The camera captures the data with a soft passes. AI monitors the flow, rejecting any deviations. Ultrasonic sealing preserves the integrity of the milk by avoiding thermal damage. Human oversight fine-tunes the machines to ensure the perfect seal every time. Speed and accuracy are the hallmarks of modern robotic integration. Packaging. Packaging is the final suit of armor for the product within. Traceability is built into every unit, allowing for total quality accountability.
Grouping the units prepares them for the rigors of global distribution.
The automation phase is complete. The product is now protected and ready for the finish. Precision weighing ensures that every customer receives exactly what is promised on the label. Precision weighing ensures that every customer receives exactly what is promised on the label. Visual verification at high speed maintains the aesthetic integrity of the brand. Structural packaging provides the secondary layer of protection needed for international transit. Industrial strength adhesives ensure the cases remain intact under the most demanding conditions. Expert calibration by the floor team keeps the finishing line operating at peak capacity. Every master case is now a data-rich unit, ready for the global logistics network. Orientation is key to building a stable and secure pallet for long-distance shipping. Managed spacing protects the product from the physical stresses of the assembly line. Robotics handle the heavy lifting, ensuring a perfect stack every single time. Wrapped and reinforced, the final product is ready for its final quality audit. Quality assurance is the final gatekeeper before any product leaves the facility. Microscopic analysis confirms the homogenization process has achieved the perfect creamy texture. Stress testing ensures the milk will not separate, even under extreme storage conditions. Precision measurement of natural sugars guarantees the same taste in every carton. Human palate verification remains an essential final check for flavor and aroma. Monitoring acidity levels is critical for maintaining the shelf stability of the final product. Physical durability tests ensure the packaging can withstand the pressures of stacking and transport. Accelerated testing simulates months of shelf life to ensure long-term freshness. Every layer of security is utilized to provide a product that is as safe as it is delicious. With the seal of approval, the journey from the factory to the world begins.
All clear for shipment.
Every unit is now officially cleared for global distribution.
Autonomous logistics ensure the factory floor remains clear and organized at all times. Vertical storage maximizes space while keeping the product in a climate-controlled environment. Intelligent inventory management prevents waste and ensures peak freshness for the consumer.
Speed and safety go hand in hand as the shipping window opens. International shipping standards are met to maintain the cold chain across oceans. Secured and sealed, the product is now a traveler on the global market.
From the palm grove to the pantry, the transformation is a triumph of engineering. And this is how modern factories produce delicious coconut milk from start to finish.
Fresh and creamy, just as it should be.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.